Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create the perfect French smile line. For my base I'm going to use Toulouse, curing each layer for 60 seconds in the Lecenté lamp. Then taking my matte top coat, as this gives the perfect base to paint on, and cure that again for 60 seconds. Then using White Magic and my S1 brush, I'm going to create a horizontal line just where I want the tip of the French to end, and then create some diagonal lines creating an upside down A. And then you can fill in and curve round those little inverted triangles to create your French smile line. If you was to make any mistakes and realise one side is bigger than the other, I would take my A1 brush with my Prep and Dehydrate, moisten on a lint-free pad, and then just swipe away any excess. You can then cure in your lamp, and I'm then going to top coat with the Flower Girl Effects top coat for that extra bit of shimmer. I hope that helps. Let me know in the comments.